favorites video. I cannot believe it's August already. Like what? Where did the time go? Me when I'm 80. I basically already am 80. What? I make no sense. I'm like, I'm basically 80. No, you're not. Like, me, where's the lie? Me every day. Can't. Well, I'm making myself laugh. You make yourself laugh. Just laugh at yourself all the time, okay? We love that we can see where my extensions are and where my real hair is. But you know what? I'm like, it's layers. It's layers, you know? It's layers. I'm wearing an extra outfit today. I feel like when you like do your makeup and put on an extra outfit, like well, for me personally, when I like do all like the when I'm pink sparkles, I'm just like, yup, no one can touch me, and I get all giggly and happy. It just is like, I don't know, I get happy, okay? So, I'm gonna show you guys my favorites of July. I've been loving a lot of different products. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows because I've been getting a lot of questions on them. I believe I shared this in my last favorites video. So, this is what my eyebrows look like. Why am I closing my eye? I'm like... So they're nice and fluffy, and I get asked all the time on TikTok and comments on YouTube like how I do them. So I do them with this. This is one of my favorites. This is the Got To Be Spiking Glue by Schwarzkopf. I have a tutorial on how I did these. I know people don't really like my makeup stuff. My makeup reviews, tutorials and stuff like that don't get a lot of views because people don't really like them, but then they request them and I'm like, where is this logic? Just kidding. So it is linked down below. I'm gonna link the fluffy brow tutorial on how I do these. It's very simple. If you know me, it's gonna be simple. Just like my brain. So it truly has been a love of mine for this past month here. I just love how fluffy they look. I didn't really like the look of them with big lashes at the starting. I thought it was too much, too fluffy. You know what I mean? Your girl has been obsessed with salads, which I never would have thought I would have ever said that. Two things I would have never thought I would have said, like if I was a kid, is I got a septum piercing and love it. And I like and am enjoying and am consuming salads a lot. Two things I would have been like, absolutely not. No. But this is why we change and grow, and that's why we're not like the same people we are as teenagers, as little kids, as babies. Like imagine if I'm like, ooh, like, what was I, a monkey? Like, girl. Like, what am I? Mia charades. This is my favorite salad dressing. So the thing is like, I feel like the reason why I don't like salads is if they're just like all cold vegetables. I'm like, I need like something like roasted red peppers or like eggplant or cheese or chicken or turkey or something softer, mushrooms or something. I don't know. That's a really weird explanation, but I feel like that's why I didn't like salads, because growing up, my mom would just do like the same salad. It would be lettuce and cucumber, like I just like thinking about it, I'm like if you like that, that's okay. I'm just telling you what my reflexes and my gag and the little dangly thing, my uvula, doesn't like and spits out. Carrots, peas, I don't like that. So I just, for some reason, my brain's like, I don't like salad at all then. Like, but there's so many different salads, girl. Like, I've been doing so many different salads, and I actually am liking and enjoying salad, and I think it has a lot to do with what I'm putting in it. If you guys want to know, you can go subscribe to my vlog channel. I literally show all my salads there, sometimes on Instagram too. I don't know. But this one I've been loving. So I always put Caesar dressing in it, the calorie-wise one. I don't know, I feel like it's really yummy and it's really creamy and it does the job. And I know some people say like Caesar salad has to be with Caesar dressing, or else like, I don't know, like I've actually heard multiple people say that. You can't put Caesar dressing in with like any other salad but Caesar. But I'm like, I literally put that on any salad and it's so good. So that's what I've been loving. Yay health. So this is one of my loves this month, is this Barbie palette, and not because it's Barbie. I bought it because it was Barbie. Yes, of course. Call me. So I haven't been playing around with a lot of the colors, but I have been doing this whenever I'm wearing eyeshadow lately. It is from this palette and this palette only. Literally this right here, this one, Boardwalk, it's like a pinky nude. That's what's just on my crease right now. I'd only put that on my crease. Let me go closer up. I literally just have that on the crease. That's the only eyeshadow that I'm wearing. I'm wearing nothing else. I have been loving Cali Girl right here to put on the inner corner, Shine On the inner corner as well. I did a whole tutorial on this as well. I'll link that down below, and I did a haul on it. It blends so well. This is one of my favorite palettes, and it's cute, like just to grab, and it blends really well. The colors are so vibrant. They're very different. They're not like your typical like nude colors, and then the shimmeries are different shimmer. Like I always have like a white shimmer. These have like a champagne-y or like pink sparkle hue to them. Hue, is that right? Oh, hue. Imagine moaning hue. My haters, you're so insensitive. My boyfriend's name's Hugh. I'm like, Hugo, Hugo. Okay, I know this is a little bit controversial. Oh, by the way, I got my lips done. So, this is my first video on my channel with my lips done. If anyone's gonna ask, I just got half a syringe. I usually get full syringe. I haven't had any lip filler, any filler, anything at all since December of 2019. I think that's when it was. It could have been November, but it was 2019. And I normally would just be like full syringe, or sometimes even more than full syringe. And this time I just got half. So that's it. If you're wondering like if my look's different, I got no filler anywhere else. I just got that. And I've been drinking a lot of water lately, so thanks for noticing. This, I don't know why that had to do with this, but I think because controversial. That's why lip filler, anyway, that's where my brain went. Controversial is tanning beds, like being in the sun, stuff like that, tanning oil, tanning lotion. Somebody told me that this wasn't tanning lotion, but it says tanning lotion. Did I say it wrong? Tan lotion? I don't know, maybe I said it wrong. So this is the brand Zero to Sexy, and it's cafe latte, and it's dark tanning lotion with extra bronzing. And that is why I'm getting so bronzed lately, is thanks to this tanning lotion. I really, really like it. Yes, I go in the tanning bed. I know it's bad for you. I'm not promoting it or telling people to go in a tanning bed. I'm just telling you what are my favorites and what I like to do and how I got bronze and tanned. I really don't go outside that often, so it is from a tanning bed. I'll literally go outside to go in the tanning bed. You know, quirky. The reason why I like it so much, other than like the bronzing of it, the price, the tanning lotion at tanning salons, I usually spend literally between like, I don't know, like 50-ish, 45, 50 to like $80 for a tanning lotion. No, no sir. No sirree Bob. No sirree Hugh. No Hughes allowed. And this was $14, like 15 with tax. It smells so good. It doesn't smell like crap. I feel like a lot of tanning lotions, they smell good, but then when you tan, you come out, you smell like, I don't know, a wet, soggy eggplant condom. I mean, let's be real, eggplants also do safe sex, so they have condoms too. So imagine that smell. That's like how you smell after a tan. Well, that's how I smell after a tanning bed. But this, I smell like an ice cap. I smell like an iced latte, iced coffee with sugar, extra mocha. Like it tastes and smells so good. So I love this. Oh, Sally's Beauty Supply is where I got that, by the way. I hate people don't say where they get stuff. I got this at Shoppers, by the way. This is ColourPop brand, I forgot. Okay, another thing, I was gifted this and I'm obsessed. So I've been wanting one of these for so long. Like, I want one of these, like, yay. And then, I'm hungry. Like, I'm hungry. But these are also good on a serious note for like mental health, people that have trouble communicating. It actually is a very good, useful tool, but they're also for like cuteness. So I love this. I've been wanting one because I think that they're just so adorable. I wanted a little one, but the fact that it is bigger, you guys will be seeing in the background. So whenever my mood is, I'll just be like, I'm hungry. Like, so these things are really cool. They're so trendy too. I'm like, okay, my favorite scent of the month is this, and it's Vanilla Rainbow Sprinkles by Bath & Body Works. I've used a lot of this. Well, okay, that doesn't seem like a lot, but like in spray form, I feel like that is a lot. It smells just like, okay, you know what sprinkles do? Sprinkles do, like if you grabbed a handful of them, they do have a slight scent. This is like times 20 that scent. It's like that fake plasticky vanilla. How you would picture me to smell is how this smells, and it's so good. I love it. It's just a body spray, so it doesn't last that long, but for the time being, the Rainbow Sprinkles can get it. Okay, my two favorite lip products. I've been asked what I've been wearing on my lips lately, so right now I am wearing nothing but this, and this is a lip oil. I feel like it's just a lip gloss. I don't know, but it's a lip oil and it's by ColourPop. It's their Luxe in Truth Bomb, and it has a very nice consistency. It is just, yeah, so I guess, yeah, lip oil. It's not a gloss, it's not sticky. It's literally like tanning lotion. Like, and that's all I'm wearing on my lips. It makes them super, super glossy. I'm wearing no other product, and it does have a little bit of color payoff. So I wanted to try one of these lip oils, and I think I will, if they have other kinds of them, like flavors? What the word am I thinking of? Like other ones? Then I will buy more of them. So the lip combo, when my lips are like really pow, because I just got fillers, I just wanted to wear just like a lip oil over them. But when my lips look like this, or like this, that was this combo here. So this is also a ColourPop. I love ColourPop. Like every single makeup item I showed was ColourPop, but they kill it. So well deserved. Love them. They're so affordable too. This is the Lippy Pencil in Sow Happy. Brown cow. How now, brown cow? The cow's name's Hugh. I like that you can sharpen their pencils. I need to sharpen mine, as you can see, but they're nice and creamy. They last. Sometimes I just wear the lip pencil and it lasts all day. It doesn't transfer, like I can kiss. Oh, and then putting this on top, it just makes it so glossy. I went on Instagram Live and so many people were asking me and I couldn't remember the name of it, so I kept ignoring the question. I kept ignoring it because I couldn't remember what it was, so I just wanted to put it in a favorites video. That when people were asking like, what's your lip combo? What are you wearing on your lips? It's this together. It was this together at the time. So the last thing is one of the best horror movies. One of the best horror movies. I had mush mouth syndrome there. One of the best horror movies, thrillers, psychological thrillers, was something I saw recently, and it was so random. Nobody recommended it to me. It wasn't recommended like on the app or anything like that. It wasn't even like a top rated. It was so badly rated and I fell in love with it. So it is called I'll Take Your Dead. And I thought it was such a unique movie. It wasn't like in every other, you know, like somebody's, you know, there's usually the typical plot, but not all the time for horror movies or thrillers, but there's a typical plot. This didn't. This flipped that upside down. I was like shocked. The ending is shocking too. There's a lot of twists and turns. So if you guys like horror movies, psychological thrillers, thriller movies, I would really highly suggest watching it. It's so good. It's called I'll Take Your Dead. And it's about a candy butcher, but it's like literally not what you think. So that's why I think they didn't call it Candy Butcher, because it's kind of about a candy butcher. Anyway, I don't want to ruin it. I don't even want to give it away. Highly suggest it. Please watch it. And that was about it. So my favorite music of the month? No. I feel like all the summer music right now, not trying to be mean, is trash. I mean, I have no right, because I'm not, like, what do I know about me making music? But like literally I feel like there's no good music out right now. Like Diamond in the Rough is like the best song right now. Like 100% it is. And all the other music is trash. So I don't know what to tell you. So maybe come back next month. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye!